Yo, what's up guys? It's Kevin Pack here. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be taking you guys through my usual Monday morning routine. I'd say that my morning routine is probably the most important part of my day because it sets me up for the rest of my day. There's this video I saw a while ago that I really resonated with because he talks about how it all started by making your bed in the morning. And by accomplishing this one task, this minor task, it leads you to accomplish more tasks throughout the day, the weeks, and the months.
If you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. If you make your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day. It will give you a small sense of pride, and it will encourage you to do another task, and another, and another. And by the end of the day, that one task completed will have turned into many tasks completed. Making your bed will also reinforce the fact that the little things in life matter. If you can't do the little things right, you'll never be able to do the big things right.
This can be taken literally or metaphorically about doing either your morning routine or just making your bed in the morning, and how doing these little tasks daily can lead to you accomplishing bigger tasks and bigger goals throughout your day. And I'm telling you this because I believe in this concept myself. I really do believe that in order to accomplish your big goals, at the end of the year or in 5 years or whatever, you need to understand and do all the little tasks before that. And it all starts with a morning routine. So let's start this video off with what my morning routine is on a Monday for a 24-year-old young entrepreneur. And of course, if you guys are enjoying this video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more content. Of course, that helps me and the YouTube gods notice me. So typically, I usually wake up between 7 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock a.m. depending on how busy the day is gonna be. I usually put a to-do list the night before, and that kind of gives me an idea of like, okay, is this day gonna be busy or is it gonna be kind of like a light, easy day? And depending if it's a busy day, I'll probably wake up earlier at 7. And if it's a easy day, I'll probably wake up at 8. But typically that's when I usually wake up. And alongside that, I like to prioritize at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep because I know that once I get that, I'm well rested and I'll be able to be as productive as I can throughout my day. Now, despite popular belief, I'm not actually one of those entrepreneurs who are like,
wake up at 3 a.m. for a run every single day, 24/7 hustle, let's go.
Not that there's anything wrong with doing that. If you prefer to go out there at 3 in the morning when the sun's not even out, go for a run, do your work, whatever, more power to you. That's all you, but that doesn't work for me. I believe it's more about the discipline that you have and also how productive you are actually throughout the day. And it's not really about what time you wake up. So I am not one of those early birds at 3 a.m. I like to wake up at around that 7, 8 o'clock a.m. because I think that's the sweet spot for me. Gets me productive, gets me going with the day, and I get a lot of things done. Now, the first thing I do when I wake up is actually not touch my phone. I actually wake up, I go brush my teeth, and then I go take like a 10 to 15 minute shower, and I hop out the shower and I start getting ready, getting dressed, and doing my hair. I try to avoid touching my phone in the morning because I feel like it gets me really lazy. I get stuck on social media and it just gets unproductive. So I try not to touch my phone in the morning and instead save that for a little bit later. My hair routine isn't crazy. I don't have a lot of hair either, but I usually just like to keep it damp right out the shower, and then I just put on some product and start messing with it. Some days it comes out really good, some days it doesn't come out good at all, but I just take like literally not even a minute, just da-da-da-da-da-da, and then it's done. From there, I like to have myself a light breakfast. And I know people are gonna be like, Kev, why do you go and take a shower and brush your teeth first and then you eat? Why don't you eat first and then brush your teeth? And to me, it's kind of like, well, I know that I'm gonna be brushing my teeth in the morning and at night. So in the morning, I'm just brushing to get all the overnight bacteria out. And I know that I'm gonna be brushing my teeth later at night anyways, so I might as well, just eat my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then, just clean up at night. So that just makes sense to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird for that, but that just makes sense to me because I know I'm gonna be eating food anyways throughout the day, so might as well just brush your teeth now, keep it clean now, and then eat, and then brush your teeth again at night. That's just me. And usually for breakfast, I usually keep it pretty light with just like bread and peanut butter and then some fruit. And sometimes it's like bread and eggs, but usually bread is in the mixture combination somehow. And during this time is actually when I actually go on my phone and I go through and check my messages, check my emails, and then reply to the students Also reply to any comments on social media and stuff like that. And that's really my time where I actually spend on my phone before I actually go into work. It's also a good time for me to check my stocks, which today I was up over $2,000 on my stocks. So that was pretty cool. Once I finish eating and let my stomach kind of settle down a bit, this is where I'm gonna actually grab a cup of coffee, a little bit of iced coffee going on. I'm sorry, Graham Stephan, I know you are gonna hate me for this. You would be so shameful. But yeah, my girl buys me just like these bottled Starbucks coffee, and it's really easy. It's already pre-made, so you just pour it, put some ice in your cup, and then you're really good to go. So I'm sorry, I know I'm gonna be making my own coffee soon. I know it's super expensive doing it my way, but it's just convenient for now until I get like a Keurig or something to make some cold brew. Once I figure that part out, then I'll be making some 13-cent cups of coffee, okay? But for now, the bottled Starbucks is the way to go for now. Once I have my coffee, this is where I'm gonna go to my desk and actually start working. Alexa, play my Spotify. I actually just bought this brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is the latest version of Mac, and I just bought it while I was in San Diego on my little vacation because I needed something that could process and export videos faster. My 13-inch right here, this guy, 13-inch MacBook Air. I've had this for a little over 5 years. I bought it when I was like in 2014, 2015, something like that. So it lasts me a good amount of time, but the battery's dying out. And I feel like for the work that I do on my computer, I need something that runs faster. And this is really, really slow. So I bought a new MacBook because I heard it's the next best thing. So I upgraded from Air to the Pro, and it's bigger. And it's supposed to export videos a lot faster than this guy. So that's the reason why I bought it. So far, I really, really love my Mac. It's super, super quick, very, very good display and good sound and everything. It's just well worth the money, definitely worth the $2,500. So I really, really like this. Now, typically on a Monday is usually my busiest day. This is where I actually have to go through my Amazon business and optimize ads and kind of look over my entire account, make sure things are running the way it should be, making sure that I'm profitable, making adjustments where I need to. And then I look at my other streams of income, you know, like my YouTube, my affiliate marketing, my courses, and I kind of look over everything to just kind of get a good overview of, you know, how the week's been, where it's at now. And yeah, it just gives me a good eye on everything. So I do that, I check up on everything, and I start working on my Amazon business, and I start optimizing ads. And I also check up on my virtual assistant, Gloria, see what kind of updates we have throughout the week, see how the business is running, what she has due for me or what tasks I have due for her. And just kind of like that. Those are kind of the basics of a Monday that I usually go through. After I go through that, talking to my employee and running through all of my optimization for my ads, this is where I'm gonna actually script a YouTube video and record, just like what I'm doing now basically. And that's basically from there, my morning is complete from there, and it goes into the afternoon. And this is where I work on other things, other projects I have going on, eat, coaching calls, go train and stuff like that. But that's the bulk of my morning, is usually that morning routine and then getting a lot of the immediate work done. So that's basically what my morning routine is. It's pretty quick and at the same time efficient. It's nothing crazy. I don't have like a special ingredient of my morning routine. I just like to keep it very consistent, know that I'm getting these tasks done, so it helps me throughout the rest of my day and get other things done. So I fully believe that it all starts in the morning. It all starts in your morning routine, staying consistent, waking up at the same time every single day, or at least most of the days out of the week. I mean, I'm guilty of Sundays being just like wake up whenever, but as long as during the week when I actually have to work, I'm keeping a consistent routine, I feel good. And I usually recommend that to people as well, is just wake up at the same time and stick to the same morning routine so that you know that you are prepared for the rest of the day. Even if the day goes shitty and it goes into 3 different directions, at least your morning routine was good and you prepared yourself to tackle the world today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe for more content. As always, go make that money. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Of course, God bless. Peace.